Now remember the fork stays in the bowl as well, yeah? Good, that's it, perfect.
That's what we're gonna need.
Alright.
And this guy's sugar and easy.
Okay, now you watch. Yeah.
Why did it want so easy to do for something?
Well, it's nothing to do with easy. It's more to do with listening. So if you listen more, you can be able to do it really, really well. Yeah, quite easily. So just watch the way he does it. Yeah. Okay. Should we go on this side? Let's see what he's doing. Nice and easy, that's it, just spread it out nice and easy, good. Yeah, and make sure it goes around the edge as well, yeah, that's it, just spread it around in a circle, yeah, that's it, good. Alright, cool. So what's the next stage? Mixture, good. Okay. Now you watch the way he does it, yeah? Watch the way he does it. Are you left-handed, Julie? Oh no, I'm just asking. Go on. And then you keep it in the middle. See that? You don't shake it around, or else you create a lot of mess. Yeah. Keep it in the middle, and then what the mixture does it spreads out and give you the shape you're looking for. Yeah. All right. And the next one. Cool. Looking good. Watch. Alright, good. Good. And then keep it in the middle and the mixture just spreads out. Now because that one is big, we do two. Yeah, 2 scoops for that one. Because it's big enough to take it. Alright, and then you twist. See that? And then what it does is keeps everything on it. Stops any mess going around. Nice. And done. Looking great. Brilliant. Yeah, that was good. And then you just keep an eye on it. And in order to make just an indication as to how far it's gone, all you have to do is look at the surface. When the surface looks solid, yeah, listening, Julian? Yeah. When the surface looks solid, then it indicates that the bottom is close to being done. And then that is where you actually flip it nice and easy. Yeah? So what do you think, Spartans? You think you can do the next one? Nice and easy? Good. Maple syrup, huh? You know what we should do? We should one day have like a big breakfast with pancakes, bacon, bananas. You know what we could do? We could actually fry the bananas as well.
Please, fry bananas.
Yeah, we could fry the bananas. Alright, that one looks pretty soft. How's that one looking? It's looking pretty good. It's almost there. Maybe like a few more seconds. That one should be ready. And then
I'll do 20 just in case.
20 seconds just in case. And then you watch how he flips it. Yeah, nice and easy. Yeah, you have to do it, you go in there nice and slow, but then flip it quite quickly as well, yeah? We had a big breakfast not so long ago. We should have thrown in the pancakes as well. I honestly don't think we would have eaten everything at all. That's what I think.
Take away the bacon and put pancakes in the alongside the salad.
Like the salad. Alright, should we try the small, maybe the small one? I think the small one is getting there. Alright, Spartans, now you watch. Watch how he does it. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking really, really good. Alright, nice and easy. Careful. And flip. Ah, perfect. Ah, don't squish it or else you're going to spoil what the other side is going to look like. So when you flip it, it's going to do the rest. Don't squish it, yeah? It's looking good. Look at that. That is amazing. Now watch again. He's about to do the second one. That is looking good. Yeah, I like the look of that one. Nice and easy and perfect. All right, looking very good. And then of course you give it a minute or two, then you transfer. Well done. Spartus, you're next.
Yeah.
Thank you very